Hey guys, thank you all for clicking on this video. Today I am extremely excited to talk about and discuss when will Palantir become profitable and why it is sooner than Wall Street thinks. We'll start first of all calculating and estimating when will Palantir be obviously profitable, looking at their forecasted revenues, forecasted expenses, and second of all we'll look at what are the effects on the long-term and short-term price of the stock. Let's go. So let's start first by saying that I am not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you my story about investing into Palantir. You should do your own research and collect all your data and make your decision either to invest or not invest. It's your money. You have to be responsible for it. So when we have this out of the way, let's go ahead and start our analysis. First of all, we have to keep in mind that no one does what Palantir does. It is an AI-based disruptor firm that has been here for 17 years. Palantir has been working with governments and the CIA, doing a lot of intelligence security, military applications, and recently started doing commercial applications with fraud prevention, business analytics, and predictions. Meaning that the revenue is predictable and based on contracts. So the customer base and list can only grow from then on, and it is similar to Netflix subscription-based program. Let's not forget that Palantir grew by more than 50% in Q3 2020 compared to Q3 2019, and all investors and the CEO, Alex Corp, is very happy about that. Moving on with expenses, and more specifically sales and marketing expenses, we can see that they have more than doubled because up until this point they had no sales and marketing teams because they didn't believe in sales and believed that their products could sell themselves. That explains a huge part of the revenue growth of Q3 2020. Moving on with research and development, we can see that they have increased by more than 4 times, which I love seeing because this means that there is investment in new products, meaning that there will be a huge growth in front on its way. Let's not forget that R&D can be controlled and thus minimized in the future years to come. General and administrative expenses have also been increasing a lot. However, we have to keep in mind that there are a lot of expenses related to a company going public. So we expect general and administrative expenses to go down by at least 50%. So let me summarize and tell you about my thoughts about Palantir's profitability and why Wall Street got it all wrong. So if we expect sales to keep on growing for at least 30% per year while keeping expenses on a straight line, I believe that Palantir can become profitable from as soon as Q1 2021 up until Q4 2021. I can be off by some quarters, but I am confident of my prediction. Be sure that when Palantir becomes profitable, the stock will go to the moon. Just before finishing this video, I just want to show you an interview that no one seems to talk about. However, it made me 100% sure of investing all my personal money into Palantir.
And what you saw when we did that is we grew the company 49%. 49% off of a 743 base. And the divergence between expenses and growth is dramatic.
Do you think, though, profitability is a 2022 proposition, a 2023 proposition? Can I push you on that?
Well, you can push me, but of course my lawyers will shoot me. What I can tell you is we are very, very focused on building software a long time before other people building it, supplying it, and I think that our first half of the year growth will be reflective of the future. And if I'm right, that will answer all of your interesting questions.
Thank you all for watching this video. I hope this content is helpful and can help you make better financial decisions. A lot more content will be here on the channel every day. Thank you. Bye.